Alright, you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have the Kraton and we also have the Mini-Max. So today's video we are going to be testing out this that I made. There's like little bash chassis rails, so we are going to test it, and I did also print a skid plate, so we're going to try that, and then I'm going to mount you up in the GoPro in the car so you guys can get some onboard footage. Alright, let's go. Guys, they finally cleared it out. Look at that. After like I think like a whole year, all this was all covered, but they finally cleared it out, so we got to make use of it. So let's go. Really missed this spot. The only reason I didn't come to this is because it was off cover. So good. Oh my god. Oh, that's crazy. This is some crazy idea. How's this chassis? It's perfect. Look at that. Taking all the abuse. Look at the chassis, looks perfect as well. Skid plate taking some abuse. These skid marks have really taken it. Look, they're all taking the beating. Oh my god, look at the knife. Look at the mini knife. Come back. Oh! Ooh, that was clean. Forgot about these roof skids, so I'll put the link down below as well on my eBay. Woo. There went really all of that. Never mind. Crap. See how. All right. Oh, that was clean. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna attempt it again. Oh! Oh! That was a bad hit. I don't know. It just happened so fast. And probably battery unplugged. Alright, come on. Yeah, see the battery strap broke. And then I'm pretty sure the battery moved a little bit forward. Oh wait, no it didn't. But it is definitely loose. And my motor's freaking hot, so yes. So with this, so far, didn't even make those stronger. Absolutely destroyed them. Skid plate just couldn't hold it anymore, so I'm pretty sure that's gonna be on. Just gonna get RPM. Put the bumper down below, and I put the roof skids on the down below. I'll put the roof skids down below. These things I have put in it since I got the body for the first time. Still holding up. Check that out. It does have some wear, but hey, it's doing the job to keeping that roof nice and okay-ish, I guess. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video of the Kraton. If you guys liked it, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and Mini Max is gonna be on the next separate video. Peace.